Good morning, students. Today we'll start with a new lesson, lesson number 12, Danger Accidents. Now, why do accidents occur or take place? Accidents take place when we are not careful. Now, where do accidents take place? Accidents takes place either outdoor or indoors. Now we will see some of the accidents that takes place outdoor. Now here you can see a bus is moving and a boy wants to get into the bus. But since the bus is moving, he is trying to run and catch the bus. Now when he is running, there are possibilities of him slipping and falling or another vehicle coming and hitting him. So here is one of the incidents where accidents can take place. Now what you should do when you want to board a bus? You should follow queue system. You should go one by one into the bus and we should not rush in. Now here you can see some children playing on the road and a vehicle is coming. So there are chances of the vehicle hitting the children because the children are busy playing and they do not see the vehicle coming. So this is another incident where accidents can take place. If you want to play, you should play on the playground and enjoy yourself. Now you had this festival, Deepavali festival, no? So what you do, most of them, you light firecrackers. So whenever you are lighting firecrackers, you should see that your elders are with you. You should never light firecrackers alone. And you should also wear cotton clothes for your safety. Now in the school also, when the tiffin bell rings or the short recess bell rings, what you do, you either come out rushing together or you go rushing into the class. So what happens here? You keep pushing each other and sometimes you fall and you get hurt. So instead of that, what you have to do is you can go in a line nicely and without hitting each other and without pushing each other. Now there are some other places where accidents can take place outdoors. For example, when you are enjoying, you're climbing the tree, you may fall down and get hurt. Or when you go for a swim without the knowledge of your elders, sometimes you may slip and fall into the water. Or when you're swinging very high, you may fall also. Okay. Now we will see some of the indoor accidents. Indoor accidents are like when in the house, when you are cleaning the house, sometimes you spill water on the floor. And if you don't wipe it, there are chances of somebody keeping their leg on the water and slipping. And then you fall and you get yourself hurt. So we should always keep the floor clean. Then sometimes when your mummy keeps something on the gas stove, what you do is you go to off the gas or you do something near the gas stove. So there are chances of you getting burnt. So whenever you are near the gas stove, you should see that your mummy or somebody elders are there to supervise you. Then when you are sharpening your pencil with blade, you may cut your fingers. Okay, so whenever you are using any sharp tools, you should be very careful. Okay, then there are some other indoor accidents like when you are playing kite or playing any games on the terrace of your building. If you are not careful, you may even fall down and get yourself hurt, isn't it? Or when you are ironing, you may touch the hot iron without the knowledge. So you should be very careful when you are ironing. So how can you avoid accidents? If we are very careful, we can avoid accidents. Thank you.